So we use a Civets fluid airbed roaster, 38-pound. It's about a quarter bag. And it's an air roaster. It uses superheated air to roast the beans. The beans are immersed in constant fluctuation in the roast chamber. There's a fan blowing this. The air is superheated in one direction, and then the blower is coming in another direction, circulating the beans in that superheated air for the appropriate amount of time. And it works with convection as opposed to conduction, so it's a much more even roast. We feel like it's faster, so the beans aren't, in that stress of that extreme heat for as long. It's more even in that the beans are surrounded by the hot air as opposed to coming into contact with extremely hot metal surfaces. And so we find that it leads to just a very consistent, clean, well-roasted batch of coffee. It also, this particular roasting style helps the oils of the bean stay within the bean as opposed to coming out on the surface. And what we like about that is that when the oils are on the surface, they're exposed to air and can, break down faster. That's where you get some of those less desirable flavors in the coffee. So all around, it's a great roasting process. We really trust it and think it makes a superior product. We've always been open to and interested in doing wholesale, and we supply coffee to a couple of the Willie Street Co-op locations and several different offices and workspaces around town. And so just excited for more and more people to have access to our coffee.